You don't really did tell you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to test out some new products. So I got some new kimchi powders, so I just want to try them out. So that's what I'm going to do today. I got a total of 3. I have the translucent one already, but now I got the other 3. I have the pink rose one, I have the no color one, and I also have translucent. I had the banana is the one I bought the first time, so I got translucent, pink rose, and no color. These are the 3 that I got. And then I also got the Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray, so I want to try that out today. So yeah, this is the Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray, so I want to try this out. I want to see, you know, what it's all about. Before we get into anything, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a video. Follow me on all social media platforms at The Girl With A Flower Name. And I want to thank you guys for being here, and let's get into this video. But yeah, I'm just going to do my makeup as regular. I'm going to try to do a light summer beat. So I'm going to try to do something real light, very lightweight, and very simple for the sake of summer. Since it is I'm trying to try to do like a lightweight summer makeup routine, I'm gonna go on with my NYX Bear With Me Blur in 18 Nutmeg. I'm gonna go on with this. This is what I'm gonna go on with because I just want to see. Also, I'm gonna use a matte primer because I want my face to stay matte all day. So I'm gonna do my makeup routine as I usually do, nothing too crazy, but I do want it to be lightweight and summer ready. Since I'm going for a lightweight summer look, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceals. These ones, this one is in Cool Tan and this one is in Fawn. This is Fawn right here and this is Cool Tan. They're really lightweight, but they also are full coverage and they like get the job done because these are a little thicker. My e.l.f. Camo Concealers are a little thicker. If you guys watch my other videos, I do talk about the thickness of them. So these are a little bit more watery, a little not as thick, not as heavy, but it still does the job, if that makes any sense. So the LA Girl Pro Concealer is what I'll be using for my more so like summer looks because it's too hot to have like heavy thick makeup on, so that's why I need that. I put this is the NYX Blur and Nutmeg. I put it on the back of my hand just so I can be able to pick it up easier. This looks a little light. Okay, so I got the foundation on. This is really lightweight full coverage but lightweight. It's a blurring tint foundation. So at first it was looking a little light, but we got it together. Needed me a makeup wipe. Wipe this off the back of my hand. Now I'm gonna go on with this Kimchi Stage Proof Matte Setting Powder. Not setting powder, setting spray. I'm gonna go on with the setting spray. What it looks like. Shake it. It says to shake well, so I'm gonna shake it. I'm gonna set my face before each step. So in between steps, I'm gonna just set. Okay. It's very watery. Like, you don't need to spray a lot. Like, a lot comes out when you spray it. It doesn't have like a sweet smell. It smells like makeup. Yeah, like it has a makeup smell to it. It doesn't have like a sweet, like, or a heavily perfumed or heavily scented scent. So that's nice. Not too much. So I'm gonna let this set, and then, like I said, the concealers that I will be using is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'll use it for my eyebrows. I'll be using it for the rest of my face as well because, like I said, they're really lightweight, but they do the job. So. Okay, I have laid my concealer on around my mouth. See, around my mouth, under my eye, bridge of my nose. I'm gonna set again with the setting spray. I'm gonna use the setting spray again. I'm gonna do it between each step because I really want to see how this works. But I also want my makeup to last because it is summer, it's hot. But this is still very lightweight, y'all. Still very lightweight. Still full coverage, but still lightweight. I don't want to use too much heavy products. I think I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Liquid Blush, too. This is the shade Pink Lady. This is the brighter pink. I guess I'm going to use this to set. Not set, but to blend them out. What is this? Blush. I'm losing words. I like to take my blush up my temples. So we like to take our blush up. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay. Now I'm gonna start blending out my see how pretty that looks? Going back in with my setting spray. Now I need to decide which setting powder I want to use. No Color is that white powder. So basically No Color is white powder. I don't know if I'm bold enough to use that. So now that leaves translucent and pink. Should I use translucent? I'm gonna use pink. I'm gonna just be a little daring and I'm gonna use the pink powder. So I'm gonna go over this Kimchi Puff Puff Pass powder in pink. I have a review on the banana one on my channel. So if you guys are interested, go check that out. I love kimchi powder. Love it, love it, love it. They have the sickest packaging. Sickest packaging. So sleek. Pink powder. It's bright. Ooh. Let's see if it's that type of bright powder that like my whole look is gonna end up pink. I decided to contour my nose first before I do my powder. I don't my nose contour to be so harsh. Like, it has to be lightweight, you know? Because if it's not, it's gonna make me mad. Like, I don't like them. Like, I don't want it to look like my nose is contour. You get what I'm saying? Like, I want it to look natural. If my nose contour starts to look like, girl, chiseled, I don't like that. Now I can get my powder puff, and now I can begin baking. Cheers. Happy baking, y'all. Okay, so for the rest of my face, I'm gonna use translucent. So for the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my jawline, I'm gonna use translucent powder. So this is translucent. That's what it looks like. Same packaging. Okay. Take my powder puff, dip it in. Cheers. And I'm gonna go bridge of my nose, forehead, forehead, forehead. You guys see how flawless this looks? This is why I love this kimchi powder. It's so flawless. And I don't have to do too much. Keep in mind, this is supposed to be an all-day summer makeup routine, so keep in mind, you know, you do sweat. So depending on how oily your skin is, my skin can get quite oily. So I want to make sure that I lock in all my makeup with setting powder. Take me a brush, a nice fluffy brush, and dust my makeup off. Brush off any excess powder. And that's that, right? Now I'm gonna go on with the Juvia's Place Bronze Duo in dark and bronze around my face. The Juvia's Place Blush Duo in Volume 4. Take a brush. I think I'm gonna just do the light shade today because I put the brighter shade in the liquid version. Go on with the setting spray. And this way you go to town so that it can really marry all the colors and blushes and contours. Everything could just come together beautifully. So, yeah. Now you just, my face is wet, and now you just want to let it sit there and dry and absorb into your skin. And that's that. Now I'm gonna do my lips while that dries. This is so lightweight, but I would say if you do want your summer makeup, opt out a thicker concealer and get like a LA Girl Pro Conceal, or maybe even you can use a Maybelline Fit Me, but I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and then use like a tint, like a skin tint or something, and not like a super thick foundation. Like, this is very thin. This is the NYX Bear With Me Blur, so it's supposed to be a blurring tint so that, you know, you still get the coverage, but it's not as heavy, you know? So yeah. I'm gonna use the number 7 Sephora Collection lip gloss, and then this Fenty gloss and Fenty Glow. Cute. That's cute. You always want to wipe off your stick of your gloss because you don't want the colors to mess it up. And then this is in Sugar High, the NYX Butter Gloss. Okay, and I put that just in the center. Wipe off the stick. Sugar High, guys. Now I'm gonna go on my mascara. This is the e.l.f. Lash Extender Mascara, the one I always talk about. Love this. This mascara is the best of the best. e.l.f. did their big one with this. This e.l.f. Lash Extender. Love this. You know, I want to put a little bit more lip gloss. I'm going to go with this Beauty Supply lip gloss. It's the Broadway Vita Strawberry. I don't know why my camera don't be trying to focus. I should have whacked my damn mustache before I did this. And then I have the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to go on with a little color from there. Yeah, and the color I used was this one right here. This one. Just that one only, but that's the only one. Go back in with my setting spray one more time. Whoa. Okay. That's it. That's it, my friends. That is all. This is my summertime makeup. Very lightweight. Very lightweight. This is probably one of the lightest makeups I've ever done. And it's because of I use the blurring tint. I use the blurring tint, the kimchi powder. I use the kimchi powders, these two. And then this was the lightweight too, this setting spray. And then the LA Girl concealers. Yeah, this is really cute. This is probably one of the lightest. This is probably the lightest foundation I've ever used. The lightest routine. Yeah, I should have shaved my damn mustache, but this is what it's giving. Nice, cute, lightweight. Very cute, very glowy still. It's still matte, but it still has that glow to it. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, my face is matte and it's in place, but it's also glowy. I don't know, but yeah, that's it. That's all, y'all. I want to thank you, and yeah, go buy some kimchi products. They're so good. Go buy them now. Great. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Talk to me in the comments. I want to talk to y'all. I want to hear from y'all, and follow me on all social media at the girl with a flower name, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.